Check out the pillow pets. I love them. And I really don't think I can live without this Kermit pillow pet. I think I need to get you. You're so cute. Mickey's adorable, but Mickey's ears, see, they're already like all wompy. I'm sorry, Kermit. I just want you to know that thing. Your ears don't do that. And there's Minnie Mouse. But Kermit, you're the cutest of all. I mean, no, it's a tie between all of them. They're all cute. Winnie the Pooh, they're adorable.
My aunt is a different breed.
Wait a minute.
She's a very...
Kermit. But there's a stain on this one?
On the back of his head somewhere.
She just saw a little scratch or something.
She's a different breed, guys.
I feel bad.
You should have seen her before I started videoing.
What about this one?
Yes, Mama.
This is my treat.
She's weird.
No, I'm not. It's Kermit.
She was just talking to him.
He wants to be mine forever.
She's a little different sometimes.
Here, you can hold it like
Alex,
this.
do you want me to take you to the fountain? You want to go to the water fountain? Are you good?
Different breed.
My cat is still trying to get adjusted to his new friend. He's like, this is my bed. Who are you? He'll get used to Kermit.